guess what? We are one sentence away from being completely finished with your butterfly life cycle writing. It is informative, it is all true, and it is going to be complete. I'm so excited for you guys. I'm going to scroll down again to my to my conclusion sentence. We already did our fourth stage. I'm going to go over to my Word document. Now it's time for my conclusion sentence, which can be very similar to my topic sentence. Okay, my topic sentence says the butterfly life cycle is very interesting. I am now going to let you know that this is my conclusion sentence by saying, in conclusion, oh no, I don't want this to be read anymore. None. In conclusion, comma, because we have to take a pause after our transition. In conclusion, the butterfly, the 4 stages of a butterfly life cycle are interesting. It's almost the exact same sentence as my topic sentence, but I changed it just a little to make sure that it wasn't, identical. Now, I am done, which means I get to highlight this in green, which could mean, okay, I'm done. It's time for me to go ahead and turn it in. Please don't forget, once you have all of these, to turn it in. Now, let's say you don't have the little turn in button here. That is totally okay. You can push share. You can type my name. Keaton Thomas, there it is. You can also, I'm going to be done with that. You can also come back to Google Classroom and there's going to be a little button here. It's either all black or all green, depending on if you're a turtle or a rabbit. And you are going to push turn in when you're done. Okay, so here it is. Here's your beautiful paragraph. You might not have the red sentences, and that is okay. If you've got your green sentence, your topic sentence, and your conclusion sentence, and you have the 4 stages listed in complete sentences, that's great. I am perfectly happy with that. Okay, so now that I have turned it in, Mrs. Thomas has been notified, I'm going to come back here to my form. My conclusion sentence, in conclusion, the the 4 stages, of the butterfly life cycle are very interesting. Boom. Oh, I misspelled something there. Forgot an E. Did you turn in your Google Classroom assignment? Yes, and submit. If you have any questions about this, please post them on Google Classroom. I will get to you as quickly as I can. You just did an awesome paragraph. I am so proud of you. Don't forget to turn it in so I can see the hard work too. Nice job, guys.